Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandra, but you can call me Madam CEO. So if you made it here, congratulations, because in 2025, you still don't know how to do your own eyebrows, but don't worry. This is the detailed, uncut eyebrow tutorial video you've been looking for, and in this video I'm going to take you on step by step on how to achieve a perfect flawless eyebrow. Are you ready? Without further ado, let's get down to business. So first of all, I'm going to show you everything you need to do your eyebrows. You're going to need a concealer, loose setting powder. I'm using the pink or the rose setting powder by Flawless Ivy. Let me just let you know, everything I'm going to be using for this tutorial is available on my website at sandysmakeupartistry.com. So the main ingredients here, the main item is this eyebrow pencil and the blending brush, a angled or just a normal pointed brush or angled brush. So you can use either of this to like sculpt out your brow. And lastly, you are going to need a spoolie. So these are everything you need to do your brows. So let's get down to it right now. So you're going to sharpen your eyebrow pencil to be really pointed. Like it should be really pointed. Okay. So then you're gonna take your spoolie and just brush up your eyebrows, your brow hairs like this. Okay, brush it upward. Okay, in an upward direction. Then you take that pencil right now and you start to sculpt. Okay, so what you just do, you do like, when you do color shading, you see the way my brows are now, that is the level I'm going with. Okay, so I'm gonna start here where my brow ends. Okay, and I'm gonna follow the shape of my brows and just my pencil broke, so I'm gonna resharp it. Okay, you see, then I'm just gonna follow my eyebrow, and at the tail here, I do like to add a little tail to it. Like this is where my eyebrow hair ends, so I'm just adding a little one, like 1 inch to it. Then at the top, you don't go to this, to the end there, you leave like 1 inch. Then you follow your eyebrow and you join it with, this is the arc of your brow, you join it with that T. Okay, you join it with that T. Okay, you see that? Okay, so now let's do the same thing for the other one, for the other side. Go like this. Okay, very easy, like join it to the T. Okay, you see? Now what you do, you just like, you see, this setting powder, you can use it at this point, but normally it really works. You use you bake your face only when you have too much oil on your face, on your eyebrows. Okay, as of now, I don't have too many oil, so this loose powder, what it basically do is just, it mattifies your brows, it makes it less oily. Okay, so because I don't have too many oil on my eyebrows right now, I just only set it. I didn't bake it. Let me show you the difference between baking and setting. Now this is baking, then white setting is basically just like this. Okay, so this is baking and this is setting. You get right? So now let me just take. Sorry. Okay, so I don't want to distract you from the main focus. So what you do now, you can either shade your brows like draw strokes, or you just do this. I told you it's just like color shading. Okay, but when you get to this point, you go a little bit softer. Okay, you go a little bit softer. All right, or you can do this instead. But to do that, your pencil needs to be really, really pointed. Like you just draw upward strokes like this. Okay. So now I'm taking my spoolie and I'm just gonna brush up so this place will look as natural as possible. Okay, let's do the other side. You see? But sometimes when you're doing these brows, you make mistakes. Okay, maybe you overdid the upside and all that. So you just let it be. But for the sake of this tutorial, let me just show you how to like shaping out your brow. So you're going to take either the angled brush. Let me use the angled one here, use the other one there. So you take the concealer and just concealer that's not too light for your skin tone. Okay, like 2 or 3 shades lighter than your actual skin tone. And you're just gonna like, okay, okay, now I'm gonna use this other brush. I use the angled one for this side, and I'm gonna use this other brush to like do this side. So like this. So you see, you can either use any one of these foundation, the brushes. Now you take the blending brush and you just like first of all you tap. Okay, this is the blending brush I'm using. You tap, then afterward you like do like this, and I'm gonna do this also for the other side. Now I'm just blending out. So the reason why I added more concealer to my eyelid is I because I'm going out really soon. So I said let me apply more. Um I'm applying eyeshadow. So what I do, I don't like sculpt out the outer side of my brows. But peradventure, I make a mistake there. Instead of going in with a concealer that's really, 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 really bright, what you can do is go in with your own shade of foundation. Okay, let's say for example you make a mistake. So I'm going to be using this Care foundation, which is actually my shade for the sake of this tutorial, and I'm just going to take it while applying my foundation. At the top I'm just going to do this because that is the color of that's my actual shade of foundation. Okay, so then for the sake of this tutorial I'm just going to blend that so that the up of your brow will look as natural as possible. You get the point right now, right? So you see the way the up of the brow blends into my skin. Okay, so this is like the final look of this eyebrow. All I have to do now is to do my makeup and come back and show you the ultimate look for everything, the way everything came out at the end after applying my foundation, my own full makeup stuff, um glam, and eyeshadow and all that. So let's go to the finished look. You ready? Let's go.